Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this yellow cut crease glowy look, just keep watching. I already started with my foundation, concealer, and I started to contour. I just have to finish that up right now. And for contour, like always, I'm going to start with my Pure Sculptor. I'm going with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. So for my eyeshadow palettes today, I want to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette and probably ColourPop Dream Street. Just because in Yes Please they have this really beautiful yellow that I want to use, and there's like a couple like light brown shades I want to use in this one. I've already primed my eyelids with concealer, and I'm just going to go into this white shade called Bling in the Yes Please palette and just go all over my eyelid. First color I'll be using today is Chauffeur. It's this pretty brownish shade. I know it goes on a little bit orange, so I might use another color instead. Not instead, but with it. And for my blush, I'm just using a blending brush. This is the I Love My Cosmetics blending brush for her Ojitos brush. What I want to go into is in the Dream Street palette, and it is called Twinkle. It's this like nudish looking taupey brown. Concealer brush and my ColourPop concealer. Just grab a little bit. Now that they're both cut, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild brush into the yellow and just fill that in. With this EB09 brush by Sedona Lace, I'm going to go in back to that first brown we used and just define my eyes a little bit more. Brush all this powder off of my face. So I'll do it very quickly. Powder off of my face. I want to go in with some eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Lash Flash Architect eyeliner. Eyeliner is done. I want to go in and put some brown right under my eyes. I'm going to go in with that first brown we used in the Yes Please palette and my 141 mini mouth. Alrighty, now I want to go in with some blush, some highlighter, and some lipstick and finish up this. For my highlighter, for one of my highlighters today, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Glitter Drops. One highlighter is not enough. I'm going to be using this highlighter as well, which is the Ofra Cosmetics collab with Nikki Tutorials highlighter. I'm also going to be using an Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I'm not sure what color this is, it's just such a pretty color. I'm going to be using the Note Desert Rose blush. I usually use blush before highlighter, but I forgot today. So I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild brush. It's like an angled blush brush. Setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this makeup look, just give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.